For preschool girls novice, fight number 20, Christine de Guzman of TFC Blue versus Juliana Erin Dalin of ATTC Red. Please proceed to the inspection area right now. Inspector.
At pumunta rin. At taka-taka na naka-alimot sa'yo niya. Ang sikat lalaban na. Yemas. Ayun ang coach niya.
For junior boys advance, fight number 1. Algafri Basuan of Metro Subic, Blue Armor versus Marvin Cal Ortiz of PMC, Red. Fight number 2. Efren Jan Garcia of HAU, Blue Armor versus Justin Castillo of May Kawayan, Red Armor. Fight number 3. Joshua Paul Paule of Metro Subic, Blue Armor versus Jeremy Lulu of HAU, Red Armor. Fight number 4. Joko Luis Silverio of TMC, Blue Armor versus Samson Gomez of HAU, Red Armor. Fight number 5. Marion Edric Manuel of Nueva Ecija, Blue Armor versus Leoron Pang of HAU, Red. Fight number 6. Mark Lawrence Sanchez of HAU, Blue Armor versus Jonas Crisostomo of May Kawayan, Red. Fight number 8. Rene Solayao of Bocaue, Blue Armor versus Miguel Bien Borja of May Kawayan, Red Armor. Fight number 10. Jetro Nabong of HAU, Blue Armor versus Lorenzo Manipon of PDTC, Red Armor. Fight number 15. Mansuk Shin of ADDC, Blue Armor versus RL Marquez of TMC, Red Armor. Fight number 16. Jean Roby Pineda of PTC, Blue Armor versus Terence Christian Tinya of HAU, Red. Fight number 17. Erwin Bernardo of Nueva Ecija, Blue Armor versus Jared Mariano of PDTC, Red. Fight number 18. Nathan Joseph De Jesus of San Miguel, Blue Armor versus Christian Marion Pasumbal of PDTC, Red Armor. Fight number 20. Riel Joshua